up next is the Arrows Bearcat. Let's go. I got light winds, they're variable. Ain't gonna mess around on the ground too much.
Gear up.
Fresh after being ran over. Oh, I ran it over last time out. Drove over the wing, just broke the aileron clevis. I fixed it with a wire, and trim's still good. Ooh, it's hot today, man. It's in the 80s.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Heading to 90s. No wind. The only good thing is I shouldn't even say it, but the gnats haven't been bad yet. Whew, it is hot. There, I got a little breeze from my back. Need breeze, man. I was reading an AMA magazine where they had they explained the technical, all the technical scoring on a hammerhead. Vertical line. You don't have to go into it the same place you come out of it, but you need to be vertical. You can't let it slide down before you rotate over. You want a pretty straight plane rotation. Things like that. Don't ask me why I remember stuff like that. That's why I'm the Rain Man. Trying to work my way. I got flying far right. I've had that the last couple trips out. I don't know why. Man, my eyes are going to be sore from sweat today. I can already tell. In fact, we're going to go ahead. We're going to drop gear. And we're going to see about getting a landing.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
If it doesn't feel good, I ain't going to do it. That doesn't feel good. Already got sweat in my right eye. A little bit of flap.
Timer stop.
And I'm having trouble seeing. Oh, I'm going to put her down because I can't see.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
There we go.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
There we go.
Timer.
Whew. Golly, it's like pooled up in my eye. Oh, sorry, but I couldn't see. I couldn't see out of my right eye. I was like, all I was watching, I was like, man, I'm not cutting the throttle. I'm gonna keep, you know, I'm not using the elevator to get it on the ground. There you go. There's the flight, man. In fact, we're gonna stop here. It's up there. Tuco's down there. Jeff's in the sun, man. I'm sweating so bad. I can't even believe it, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Subscribe. Become part of Team Let's Go Flying. You can come flying with us when we fly. Thank you again.